What's up, guys? All right. So let me see. What's going on here? What's good, Robbie? All right. So let me see what's going on here. Okay. Let me wait for people to join in, so then I'll start. And yeah. Right, so I only have one camera angle, so I have like right here, and I have my stream PC right here, the one I'm streaming with. Okay. I have built 4 Hackintoshes this week. Damn, Robbie. Hi, big person. Well, you should build one. Alright, so today real quick, I'll show you guys how to create a macOS Big Sur bootable drive with Windows, because last time I made a guide with macOS, and I know a lot of you guys want the Windows guide, because I don't know, maybe you guys already don't have macOS running on your Hackintosh. So I'm not going to use macOS now. I'm not going to use Gib macOS. Okay, so real quick, I'll show you guys what I will do. But how many people watching right now? 10? Only 10 people? Come on. Big person, you can't afford it. Why not? Okay, never mind. Let me see. 11 people. Alright, guys, so I'll just start the guide because I see like 11 viewers right now watching. We need more people, we need more likes. Robbie is a money maker. That's what he does. All right. All right, so let me jump in and let me show you guys real quick. Okay, so the first thing first, you guys do need a USB 3.0 drive. Okay, the reason I say 3.0 because your process will be a lot faster. So let me show you guys what we'll do. First, we need to go to OpenCore Vanilla Guide website. So let's go to OpenCore Vanilla Guide website right here, and then go to OpenCore Desktop Guide. Yo, my boy DVZN here, yo. What's up, Eric? What's good? Big shout out to DVZN Media. You guys want crispy video? Go watch his videos. This guy is Mr. Crispy. All right, so getting started. Oh, we already got current supported version 0.6.4. Okay. getting started. And right, 16 people watching. All right. Okay, so all right, so making the installer in Windows. So let's go to this one right here. Now currently for some reason Gib macOS not working. Okay, there is no recovery like the part we can download, not working, so I'm not going to try Gib macOS. And guys, one more thing, I just want to ask you guys, currently I have an Intel Coffee Lake built here, so I'll show you guys how to make a bootable drive for Intel Coffee Lake build, or I have a RYZENTOSH here. So you guys want RYZENTOSH or Intel Coffee Lake bootable USB guide? I think you should go with Intel this time, right? Because the first part is really simple. Okay, same for like Intel and AMD, so that really doesn't Intel, right? All right, Eric, let's do it. All right, so we have an Intel Coffee Lake built here with let me see, with Intel Core i5 9400 6-core CPU, and the motherboard we have MSI H310M Pro-M2 Plus M8X motherboard. I wish I can show you guys the build, but I only have one camera right now, so I don't want to move this camera around. And like I said, the CPU we have Intel Core i5 9400. All right, the graphics card we are using XFX RX 4700. Oh my god, not 4700, I'm sorry. XFX RX 470, 4 gig. I need coffee. All right. Okay, boys, let's jump in. The first thing, we need to download the OpenCore package right here. So let's click. All right, let me just give you guys quick rundown again. So we are on the OpenCore website right now, OpenCore install guide, and then we are under USB creation, making the installer in Windows. Okay, and here you guys can see currently supported version 0.6.4. All right, so let's download OpenCore PKG here package. Okay, and we have 0.6.4. Wow, official 0.6.4 was released 2 hours ago. Okay, I can live with that. We are downloading the OpenCore 0.6.4 release version right here. Let's open. Oh, it's tough, so big. All right. Let's just drag and drop this one here. Extract here. All right, so basically I'll show you guys how to make the bootable USB drive by following OpenCore vanilla guide right here. Okay, I'm not making anything up. Okay, the credit goes to OpenCore devs, okay, and people who is really doing all the hard work. So I'm just showing you guys how to do it. All right, so let me delete this one right here. All right, so first thing what we need to do, we need to open the OpenCore 6.4 package right here, and then go to utilities. So basically guys, I'm following this steps right here, okay? And go to utilities right here, and then you guys can see here Mac recovery, okay? Just hold shift on your keyboard, hold shift, right click, and copy as path. All right, now we need to open the terminal, okay? So here, right here, search bar, just type cmd run as admin, okay? And here we need to cd into the recovery, Mac recovery, right? So I already copied the path, right? So type here cd space, and then we'll just right click, okay, enter, and now we'll scroll down, and here make sure you need to download Python. Ooh, actually I need to download Python, I forgot. Yes, without Python this is wait guys, sorry. Do I have Python already? Oh no, we need to download Python. Okay. Alright, let's close this up. Alright, forget all this. Oh, I'm sorry. Forget all this. We need to download Python. So I'll start again. I'm sorry guys. Alright, so making the installer, right? We need to download Python first. So make sure you download Python here. Python. Download Python 3.9.0. I think it was alright. Okay. This part is really important. You guys can see here, before we install Python, we need to add Python 3.9 to a path. Alright. So add Python 3.92 path. Make sure you check this, and now go to install now. Yes. Alright. Now we are good. Okay, so I'll show you guys again. Let's open OpenCore 0.6.4 package right here, then go to utilities. Okay, then you guys can see here Mac recovery. Hold the shift key on your keyboard, shift key on your keyboard, and right click, copy as path. Okay, so we just copied the Mac recovery path. All right, now we need to open command prompt. So type here in the search bar cmd, right click, run as admin. Yes. Okay, now type here cd space, and let's paste the path right here. So right click, and now enter. Okay, now we are good. Now here we actually need to copy like which version of the macOS recovery we need to download, right? So you guys can see you have like Mojave, High Sierra, Mojave, Catalina, latest version, macOS Big Sur. So simply we need to just copy this. Okay, select, right click, copy, and then right click here, enter. And you guys can see downloading the macOS Big Sur recovery right now. Same thing what you do with macOS, same thing what you do with Gib macOS. Okay, nothing different. Yes, I will save this stream and I will also edit this stream. Okay, so the first part I will get rid of it. I'll try to delete it, and I'll I'll do something. Don't worry. Okay, so now we did download the macOS recovery for the Big Sur, so we can close this. All right. Okay, we need to format our USB drive. So they're recommending here we need to go to disk management. Okay, so let's right click start, right click on the start, go to disk management. Make sure you plug your USB to your computer. A headphone on. All right. Okay. Now we have our USB drive right here. Make sure you format this USB drive and name the USB drive EFI. Right click, format, FAT32, not exFAT, FAT32, and make sure you name your USB drive EFI. Okay, EFI. Okay. Yes. Okay, let's see. All right, so our drive is ready here, so we can close disk management. All right. Now we need to create a folder inside our EFI folder here. Okay, new folder. So right click, new folder, and make sure you name your new folder com.apple.recovery.boot. Okay, so let's copy, paste it here. All right. All right, now we need to go inside. We need to go back to our OpenCore package. So let me close this and show you again. You need to open your OpenCore package again. Go to Utilities, and then go to Mac Recovery, and you need to copy these first two. Okay, both of these, right? Base system and base system.dmg. Okay, so just copy both of these, right click, copy, and then go inside this folder you just created inside your USB drive EFI folder, and then paste it here. Taking some time. I think the file size is around 500 MB. I don't know. All right, do we is Yes, I would make, like, like every time OpenCore new, let's say this update comes, like a new bootloader, I would like to compare, but I really don't have enough time, guys. You know, I would like to make, but I don't have time. I'm sorry. That's why I just show you guys, how to install the macOS, how to create the bootable drive, you know. Sorry, Robbie. It's kind of hard for me. Taking too long. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So now we can go back. Okay, go back inside the EFI folder again. And now we need to open the OpenCore 0.6.4 release package again. Go to x64 for 64-bit, and then just copy this EFI folder and paste it here. And we need to, let's see, we need the config playlist also, so we need to go back, go to docs, and go to simple.playlist. Just right click, copy, paste it inside our EFI OC folder. So right click, paste, rename this config.playlist. All right, so up to here, basically what we do with gib macOS, so we are done. And now we basically need to download the kicks, we need to download the drivers, we need to download and configure everything. All right, so we are done with this. Okay, so let's go to getting started. Okay, so the config right here. By the way, I told you guys, OpenCore 0.6.4 is the latest version. Okay, let's go under USB creation, gather in files, because we need to download drivers, kicks. All right, and ACPI. Let me just start with ACPI first, right? Let me show you guys the ACPI. So let's go to, where is the ACPI? SSDT ACPI, and let's go to pre-build. Okay, go down, what do we got as well? Skylake, Coffee Lake. So we need all four right here. Okay, so let's download one by one. Go to download. All right, download. let me open my download folder. All right, so ACPI, I just downloaded these 4 right here, SSDT, and we'll just drop this to ACPI folder. All right, so we are done with ACPI. Okay, now let's go to drivers. From here we can delete all this. Okay, and let's just download. Okay, we need hfsplus.efi. We already have open runtime EFI, so this download. Why you do this? We have, all right, let me just delete these. All right, so we are done with the drivers. Also we have the open runtime.efi, and also we have hfsplus.efi. all right, now kicks. Now here, okay, I'll show you guys. Let me just go back. Let's go down to, okay, so we need virtual SMC download. It was also released 2 hours ago, so I'll download the release version here. Without virtual SMC, you can't actually boot your Hackintosh. Okay, you need this. Lilu for our kicks. Also, this one was released 2 hours ago. And we need whatever green. Okay. Whatever green we need for our graphics to work properly. And now we need Apple ALC for our audio. So let's download, release also. Okay. All right. Now this part right here depends on which motherboard you guys have, right? So if you guys have, let's put this, I have a MSI. So I have a MSI H310M Pro M.2 Plus. Okay, for this motherboard I need this one right here. So let me download Intel MAUSI. Let's download this. Download this one. Okay, if you guys are confused and you don't know where to download your motherboard, like you don't know which Ethernet chip your motherboard have, you can actually go to your motherboard manufacturer website and then you can download. All right, so now let me see. So we got virtual SMC. Let's extract here. Cooks, and we need the virtual SMC. Okay, go back. Whoa, sorry, let me delete this here. Okay, we need the extract Lilu. Basically I'm just extracting all these zip folders. and whatever grain. Let's extract files here. Okay, inside whatever grain, and let's just copy, paste, or just drag and drop this to our KEX folder right here. All right. We need Apple ALC for audio, so open first one. And for internet, Intel, extract file. Okay, go inside. The first one. We are done with the KEX. Alright, all you need 5 KEX. Okay, you need virtual SMC, Lilu, and whatever grain, Apple ALC, and Intel, the one I have. Now, if you have a, let's say a gigabyte motherboard, the one I have, most of the gigabyte motherboards have like Realtek Ethernet chip, but this Intel, this MSI motherboard have this Intel chip. So just go to your motherboard manufacturer website and then go under support, and you can easily find. Simple, guys. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, now go under tools and we can delete all this. Okay, so we got ACPI. Okay, we needed these 4 SSDTs. We got drivers. We only need 2 drivers, HFS plus.efi and open runtime.efi, and then KEX. We only need these 5 KEX, and we need to play around with the config playlist. Right now we need to configure, so let's go back and we need proper tree. I need to go back. Getting started. Where is proper tree here? Bum, bum, bum. Where is my proper tree? So here you go. So guys, this guy is basically for Intel Coffee Lake, but the first part, you know, how to create the macOS Big Sur bootable drive on Windows, you cannot really use the give macOS right now because for some reason it doesn't work. So we use a different method. You guys can watch the first part, and you can use this first part, you know, how to create the macOS Big Sur bootable drive for like AMD and Intel. Okay, only difference between the Coffee Lake guide and like a AMD RYZENTOSH guide is the config playlist. Okay, so if you are confused, now you know. All right, so proper tree. Let's download proper tree. Download. Let's go to download and drag and drop proper tree here. Okay, fun part. Who's down for the fun part? All right, so let's open proper tree. All right, so let's go to File, Open, and then go to our USB drive, EFI right here. Go to EFI, OC, and then open config.plist. All right, and let's take a quick go to File, and let's take a quick OC clean snapshot. Clean snapshot. Make sure you go to your EFI, USB drive EFI folder, OC. Alright, so we are done with the clean OC snapshot. And we can delete these right here. So let's get rid of these warnings. Right click, remove, right click, remove, right click, remove, right click, remove. Alright, I like to minimize everything. Okay. And I'm going to show you guys the installation also today. So stay tuned. Because I have a streaming PC right here with the capture card. So we'll have some fun, guys. Alright. So under ACPI, make sure you have all the kicks enabled. So make sure true, and then let's go under okay, minimize that. Where we going, guys? Booter. Do we need to change anything here? Let me see. Sorry if I'm making you guys confused. I'm just making sure everything is okay because I want to show you guys the installation also, so I don't want to make mistake. Alright. So we don't have to do anything under ACPI now. We can minimize all this. Expand booter and then go under corks. Okay, now here. Now I highly recommend whenever you are creating or configuring your config playlist, make sure you read this. Make sure you you click here more in-depth information, because there is some stuff you need to do different if you have like a Z390 motherboard. Now I currently have H310 motherboard, so if you have a Z390 you may need to do something different. So that's why I don't like sharing my EFI folder, because you can't really use my EFI folder, you know, because your hardwares are different than mine's. And before I used to share because I like to help others, but it's not really worth, you know, like copy paste EFI folder. Most of the time wouldn't work, you know. Basically if you're lucky it will work if does match, you know, if yours hardwares matches with mine, then yes you can. But even it does match, sometimes EFI doesn't work. Most of the time EFI doesn't work. So let's go under crux right here, and let's do more in depth. So first one right here, for runtime defork is yes, okay. And then second one, devirtualize is yes. and ours is no. And then you need to reduce stolen memory footprint, expand the value, and very helpful with fixing memory allocation issues on Z390 requires, okay, as well as so this one will help you if you we'll just set this one to yes anyway, okay, but this one is more helpful for like Z390 motherboards. So okay, second, enable a write on protector. Okay, this one is, so here, read this one, enable. Okay, enable write on protector, set to true. We'll change this to no, false. Okay. Protect UEFI service, no. Okay, and you can read, okay. So protect UEFI service for being overridden by firmware, mainly relevant for VMs, Ice Lake and a Z390 system. If on Z390, enable this. So this one is for Z390. If you have a Z390 motherboard, enable this. If not, just leave this one off. So enable UEFI service, false. We don't need this. Oh no, where is this one? I thought I just seen this one here. Okay. Revealed Apple memory map, yes. Set a virtual map, alright. Okay. Set a virtual map, fixes virtual map address. Okay, this one set to true, yes. System runtime permission, yes. No, sync runtime permissions. What's wrong with me today? Okay. Now we can minimize this here. Let's go under properties. Let's minimize booter, device properties, and here, all right. So you know every time I tell you guys like Intel Quick Sync, and you know, if you guys are planning on using like Final Cut Pro, so I have an i5 9400 CPU, and this CPU comes with Intel UHD 630 graphics. So if you have a i5 9400 CPU, then you want to use your integrated graphics, right? So you guys can see here, this number 3 right here, use when the desktop iGPU is only used for computing tasks and doesn't drive a display. Now I'll show you guys how to do that first, then I'll explain you guys more. Okay, so we need to add one more under here. Actually, new child, okay, and we need to copy 0.0. Don't need all this. Should I just let's copy this one here, PCI root. Well, actually, hold on, I'm messing up something. No, I'm doing it right. What's wrong with me? Okay. And now we need to add new sibling, and this one name will be this one right here. Control V. So I'm using Control C and Control V to copy, if you guys are wondering. Now change this one to data. Okay, and we need just for compute. Okay, so we are going with 0.0300913. Okay, so this one right here. So let's just Control C, Control V. All right, so now our integrated graphics should work. Okay. All right. Now, if you guys are planning on using, let's put it this way, Intel Coffee Lake build without a graphics card. Now, I tried with just this one right here, okay, 0300913E. With this, my system works. Even if I take the graphics card out, my system still works. I still get the, the same graphics acceleration, and the display also works without the graphics card. So if you use the same method, if you copy the same thing what I did, and you don't have a graphics card, and you have a i5 9400 CPU or 9700K or 9900K, I think it should work. All right, so okay, so we are done with the graphics part. Now let's go under kernel. Well, we don't have to do nothing. Okay, under kernel, we need to go to Quarks again. Okay, and here, okay, this part right here, really important. Okay, let's go more in depth. No. Yeah, here, Quarks. All right, so the first one here, Apple. Okay, the first one right here, Apple CPU PM CFG lock right here, right? Make sure you change this one from false to true, and I'll tell you guys why. And then Apple XC PM CFG lock, change that to true also. Okay, and let me tell you guys why. Okay, so the reason you need to make sure both of these are true, because in your motherboard BIOS, sometimes you can find the CFG lock. Okay, you can disable it, and I couldn't find in this motherboard. So best thing to do, just disable it here in the config playlist, so you don't have to look for it. All right. Okay, disable all mapper. Okay, you don't need to okay, you don't need to enable this one. Okay, if you can disable BT-D, in your motherboard BIOS. That's for virtualization. If you can't find it, then you can change it here. I like to change here in the config playlist, so just true here. Kernel panic here. HP machine will require this. Okay, this one is for HP machine. Can change this one to false. And we have panic no kicks dump. Let's go a little bit more in depth here. So here guys, the thing I was telling you, okay, Apple CPU PM CFG lock only needed when CFG lock can be disabled in BIOS. Okay, only needed when the second one, Apple XCPM CFG lock, only needed when you can find CFG lock in your BIOS. All right, custom SMV, we don't care. We don't care. Okay, allow Lilu. Okay, so disable linked it jettison. Where is it? This one is true. Disable RTC checksum, false. Okay. Extend BT futures flag, false. Pick kernel, false. Legacy, false. Panic no kicks dump. Make sure this one is true. Part-time out kernel panic. I know I'm taking too long, but I want you guys to understand. I can go real fast, just yes, no, but then, you know, what's the meaning of showing you guys this way? XHCI port limit. Just turn this one to true. And by the way, I'm not going to show you guys USB mapping today, okay? You can Intel USB mapping is really easy. Okay, if you guys want me to make a video for Intel USB mapping, I'll be more than happy, but AMD mapping is really hard. All right, with this, so we can minimize kernel. What do we need to do here? Nothing really. All right, now let's go to MISC miscellaneous and let's go down to debug. Minimize this. Okay, debug right here. Apple debug. Apple debug, yes. Okay, so make sure this one is yes. We need to change from false to yes, true. Apple panic, change this to yes. Disable watchdog, yes. Now this one right here, target 67, you know, when you guys have like, when you guys, every time you guys maybe restart your computer, or you know, you're trying to install with your USB pen drive, and you see like debug, okay, in your EFI folder. Okay, so basically you don't need this one if you don't want, you know, see right here, it shows here. Okay, shows more debug information required. Okay, so that's just for testing purpose. So I know a lot of you guys ask, why do I have these folder or this node getting created in my EFI folder? Because of this right here. Just make sure this one is target is 0. So where is it? Just 0, and that's it. I'm not really good at explaining stuff. I hope you I think you guys already know. All right, so target 0, clean EFI folder. You're not going to see anything else in your EFI folder, like, you know, next to your EFI folder. All right, okay, crazy me. Okay, Apple Panic display level we have here. Serial target. Okay. Next we need to go under security so we can minimize debug. Okay, security. Allow NVRM reset. Change this to yes. True. Allow set default. True. Blacklist Apple update. Right here. True. Scan policy 0. Vault secure. Copy paste optional. Controls. Alright, Control B. Okay. More in depth. Secure for default. Alright, we can minimize security. Now we can minimize miscellaneous. Now let's go under NVRM. Oh, I like NVRM. Alright. Now we need boot flags. Okay. If you guys want text for like troubleshooting, you can add -v to your boot flag right here. And if you just want like a Apple logo when your system is booting up, then make sure you don't add -v. Okay, so you are not going to see any type of text and stuff. All right, so I'll just get rid of it. I don't like it. I keep syms equal, and then let's get a debug Control C space Control V. What else? ALCID 1 for audio. Control C, Control V, space. We don't need NPCI. Where is what? Maybe we don't need this. I thought we need this. Guys, we don't need NPCI no more. NPCI equals 0x2000. Not showing here. Okay, if you guys have a RX 5000 series graphics card, then you need to add this one right here, AGDP mod equal Picora. Okay, this one is for NVIDIA. I don't think I need the NPCI equals 0x2000. All right, it's not showing here, so we are good. If we need, if we can install, we'll come back. Okay, let's change the language real quick. So let's go down to here. You guys can see it's right here. Change this one from data to string. And then change this one to en-us on 0. Control C, Control V. All right. Right flash is, oh, what's going on here? right flash is true. Alright, so we are done with NVRM. Now let's go to platform info. For this Intel build, iMac 19,1 is good, so already there. Okay, you guys can generate a serial number with, I believe, Gen MacOS. Hold on. Alright guys, I'm not going to show you guys how to generate the serial number right now, because I'll show you guys the installation, and installation will take some time, so I'm not going to spend time here. Alright, we good here. Automatic, okay. Minimize. Generic. Under generic, what do we have to do? No. Okay. Under true. Sur 0. Update data hub, yes. Update, yes. And UEFI. Let me see. Connect drivers. Where is this connect drivers? Can't even find it. Under drivers. UEFI drivers. Corks. Unblock FS connect. Okay. Only need for like HP motherboard. So if you don't have HP motherboard, you're golden. Right guys, it seems like we are done. Yeah, right here. Connect driver is true. Alright, so we can just file, save. Okay. Now, if you guys want to check and see like if you did any mistake, yes, if you guys want to generate the serial number, is the Gen SM BIOS, okay? And then you can do it. Really simple. Okay. Now, can we see how many mistakes we made? Oh, what I'm starting point. What's wrong with me? Coffee Lake. I don't see anything. Like, what's going on? I want to check my config playlist. Here we go. Snackly checker. All right. Let's go. Let's close this. Let's open our bootable USB drive. Go to EFI, OC, and our config playlist here. Click checker. Get ready for mistake. Oh, there is no 6.4, guys. Only 6.3. What's going on? We can check. We can check. We can check. No. All right. You know what? We don't have time for checking. Okay. Let's restart our computer and start the installation process. I'm using $8 capture card. $8, guys. $8. So for this motherboard, I was pressing F11. Let's go to UEFI. Kingston Data Traveler. You drive right here, enter, and extra UEFI external. Imagine doesn't work. I'm sorry. I can't help you guys if it doesn't work. Oh, see an Apple logo. Do you guys see Apple logo? What? You guys don't see anything? Seriously? Alright, this part is taking long. Okay, what's going on here? And I don't, why I'm so relaxed sitting down? Like, what's going on with me? Patience is the key to success. Yes, guys. But the thing is, I don't see anything. What's going on here? You guys can see, but I can't see anything. All right. Oh man, alright, hold on. Let me minimize you guys. Hold on 1 second, guys. I don't know what's going on. Okay. You guys can see on the live stream, you guys can see, but I can't see anything on my screen. I think maybe because of the display port I'm using. I don't have another HDMI. No. So I basically have to look at the live stream and yeah, because I can see anything on my screen. Like, let me show you guys. So you guys can see the live stream here, but here on my main screen there is nothing. See what I'm talking about? But maybe that's because I'm using a display port. Okay, so whatever. Let's put this one back here. And seems like display port is not working. Alright, so let's just follow here. Disk utility, continue. I can hardly see here. Maybe make this one full screen. Yeah. Make this one full screen. Okay, let's format our hard drive. So if you don't see your hard drive here, go to this view tab right here, show all devices, and I have a NVMe drive right here, PCIe SSD. Click here and then erase. Name this drive MacOS, I guess. Oh no. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on a second. Am I typing it? Alright. So name this drive Mac, and then make sure format is APFS GUID partition. Alright, erase. Done. Close this. Go to reinstall macOS Big Sur. Continue. Continue. Agree. Agree. Yes, no internet issue. Alright. It's the drive right here. Continue. Alright. Break time. Alright, now I can minimize this and I can chit chat with you guys. Yes. Guys, don't fight. Alright, so let's start right now. Alright, what's going on here? I need to change the title because I mentioned here 0.6.3, but actually I didn't know 0.6.4 was released, so I'll change the title later. So this process will take some time. Alright guys, I'll be back real quick. Be right back. Oh, I'm back, guys. Boo. All right, so we have what, 13 minutes left remaining. Okay. All right, Ninja is live. What's up, Ninja? I have AMD Ryzen 7 2700X and RTX 2080 Ti, but GPU not detecting, cause macOS doesn't support RTX graphics card. Even macOS High Sierra doesn't support. Okay, there was never a driver was released for RTX graphics cards. All right, so can help you with that. You need a AMD graphics card. Yan, how can I help you? I get this error, couldn't modify partition map. My setup, motherboard X570. Oh, guys, wait. We are done. We're done with the first part of the installation. Oh no, why are you going back to window for? What's wrong with you? Never mind. Alright, I don't know what. Never mind, guys. Let me just. I need to press F11. Alright. Partition. macOS installer. Okay. Now we are doing the second part of the installation right now, the process. Right. Thank you, Ninja is live. Alright. I don't know if you guys can see, we are currently the second part of the installation, but you guys will see. Now you guys can, you guys should see now. Alright, now I don't see anything on my screen, but I can see on the live stream. So let me go to OBS. why my camera is all the way up there. Alright, how long we have? Damn, we've been live streaming for I've been live streaming for 1 hour and 25 minutes, but we need to finish the installation part and show you guys. So I don't care. I need to finish this installation for you guys. Can you change this? Can you edit the title? Yeah, 6.4 better. Yeah. Meantime, you guys can see my setup right here. Alright, so that's my Intel Coffee Lake build. Okay, not all that fancy. Alright, and that's my mini live streaming setup here. Well, there is no quick forward button, guys. Okay, so now too bad you guys have to see my face here. Alright, so it formatted. I do choose GUID partition master. Yeah, GUID partition yen, not master record or Apple partition. Make sure GUID partition map. Well, I have Intel guide, like older guide, I believe OpenCore 0.5.8, but not for like Dell, for like Coffee Lake. And this guide is also for Coffee Lake, Intel Coffee Lake. I'll try to edit this guide so you guys don't have to watch the whole video. So I'll try my best to just edit it out. Yeah, but this one is Intel guide. Yes, the one you're watching right now. Not AMD guide, Intel, guys. Coffee Lake. No. The first, okay, look. let me tell you guys, the first part, you know, when I showed you guys how to create the bootable drive, um, the method is same. Okay, the method is same for Intel and AMD. Guys, I don't have any laptops here. The only laptop I have here, the only laptop I have here, MacBook Air 2014. I don't have any other laptop, so I can't really test any of my guide with laptops. And I'm so mad at the fact, like, I really wanted, like, only reason I'm not showing you guys any AMD guide yet, because I want AMD Ryzen 5 5600X CPU, but I can't find that CPU. I even asked AMD, you know, but they don't care about RYZENTOSH community. So well, I need to wait and see if I can buy one, but at this very moment, I can't buy one, you know, like nowhere. Like there's nowhere, no way I can buy Ryzen 5 5600X CPU or RX 6800 graphics card. So I can't really do anything. And I also order Apple Mac Mini M1 2020 from B&H Photo Video for $639, and I didn't have to pay tax. So I'm happy. Only reason I got that Mac Mini because I wanted to see how well that Mac Mini perform compared to my HACKINTOSH right here. Oh, you guys, you can watch my I think the last guide I made on AMD macOS Big Sur guide, but I use Mac OS for that guide, not Windows, you know. So yeah, and this format is APFS. Yes, just APFS. Well, this installation is taking some time. Taking some long, sweet time. It's okay. For this guide, you don't need a real Mac. You can do with your Windows computer. Like, if you have a computer running Windows, you can follow this guide. Okay, but my last guide for AMD, you need a computer with running Mac OS. All right, let me just edit this. All right. Okay. Let's boot with our USB drive again. MacOS installer one more time. I don't use any type of cream or lotion. It's all natural. What's going on here? I'm married. I have 2 kids. Yes. Old man. Old married man. Yes, that's me. That's me. What they call? Well, you guys can see what's going on, but I can see. Let me show you guys. I think that's because of the capture card. Okay, so you guys can see right here. All right, so hey, I didn't buy this gaming chair, okay? This gaming chair was Gamdias sent me this gaming chair. I like kebab and biryani. Yes. Alright, while we're in Windows again, can we restart, please? Please. Never mind. Never mind. Windows, because I have my Windows drive there also. So F11. I will boot from the USB drive again. And now we can boot from our hard drive. And once we copy the EFI folder from our USB drive to our main hard drive, then we can just disconnect and get rid of the USB drive. West Bengal, okay. Both Bengali and Indian, okay, mix. My great grandfather came from West Bengal, India. We are almost done, guys. We are almost done. I know you guys can see because of my capture card, but we were almost done. You guys should see anytime. Oh my god, why this thing is going back to the Windows? Never mind. I should have just disconnect the Windows drive. Never mind, guys. Because I still have my Windows drive connected. That's why. Don't mind. Don't mind. Alright, let's go to UFR. Oh, I didn't show you guys BIOS settings. I forgot. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't show you guys BIOS setting. The reason why I didn't show you guys BIOS setting, because the main stuff that you need to change, the main settings, I already changed those settings in the config playlist. But please, please go to your BIOS and change settings. You know, the settings you need to change. Please do so. All right. All right. Thanks, man. All right. Let's go down to United States. Oh, why I'm doing this when I can just no. Continue. Continue. Not now. Continue. Not now. Setup later. Skip. Agree. Agree. Work. Password. I don't know how come I forgot. I didn't show you guys 5 settings, but like I say, I already changed most of the stuff. Yes, Siri, you can stay on. Dark. All right, now okay, you guys can see right now we are running. Alright, you guys can see macOS Big Sur. I don't live in West Bengal. I live in USA, New York. Um, all right, so let's finish the setup. All right, guys, you guys can see running OS. All right, and let's download internet working. Oh well, internet is working. Let's download Mount EFI. All right, let's mount our hard drive number 2. Enter password. So we don't have anything in our EFI folder. Now let's open the USB drive EFI folder and just copy and paste our hard drive EFI folder. Alright, simple as that. It's this, and now we can unplug the USB drive. So eject. Okay, terminate, and let's restart the computer. Let me unplug the USB drive real quick. Alright, let's restart. I'm pressing the delete key on the keyboard. I want to get into the BIOS real quick. Alright, so we are in my motherboard BIOS now. Let me move my face from here. Alright, so we are in the BIOS right now, guys. So let's go to motherboard. So you guys can, okay, before we jump into you guys can see the CPU. We are using Intel Core i5-9400 CPU, 8 gigs of RAM. And the motherboard, we have MSI H310 M Pro-M2 Plus. Let's go to setting. Let's go to advanced settings. And let's go to integrated graphics configuration real quick. Okay, if you want your Intel QuickSync to work, make sure you have integrated graphics enabled here. Okay, 64M is okay. Make sure IGD multi-monitor is enabled. USB configuration, make sure your XHCI hands-off is enabled. and rest you guys can see in like you guys can read. I'll show you guys where, but that's all I basically had to do. If we go to boot right here and make sure fast boot is disabled. Okay, change the boot, not showing here. Yeah, make sure set this one to UEFI-OS. Okay, that's our main boot drive. Okay, go back. Security. No. Yeah, we can just save changes and reboot. Yes. And you can dual boot. We have Windows drive here and we have the Mac. You guys can see you can dual boot if you want. So let's put from our Alright, so password. And real quick, let's change some settings here. Alright, let's run CPU benchmark. What's going on here? I just updated the title, so guys, currently, like if you guys are on budget and you guys want to save money, like I know AMD CPUs are kind of like the king right now, but if you guys want to save money, you can actually go with Intel CPUs right now. Intel CPUs are cheap right now. You can go with like i5 9400 CPU you can pick up for like $167, 6 core. There is no hyper threading, but if you're planning on building a system and you want everything to work, like, you know, all the Adobe application, Android Studio, and then with Intel system, everything will work. You know, like I personally own like 4 AMD RYZENTOSH and one Intel HACKINTOSH, but kindly Intel CPUs are cheap. You know, you can actually pick up Intel CPUs for like good price. So like you can pick up like i7 9700K 8-core CPU for like what, $199 from Micro Center. So not bad, guys. Alright, so here we go. We have the Geekbench score right here. Single core score 1029, and then multi-core score 5180. Okay. Now let me show you guys real quick compute benchmark OpenCL. Alright, so we got Geekbench 5 OpenCL benchmark score 41,017, and let's try metal score. So let's close this. Not bad, huh? With the RX 474 gig graphics card. I paid for this card like what, $80 I think. Let's try metal. So working. Yes, you can. I don't want to pronounce your name. Agozrazil. Yes, you can. Oh, that's a really good price. $50, $60 for RX 580. That's really good. Is it possible to install Big Sur on Ryzen 2700 and update normally? Yes, you can. I did update my RYZENTOSH. A regular update works perfectly fine with OpenCore 0.6.3 bootloader. Let's look at the... Okay, so metal score is around 42,481. Not bad. Loving it. Alright. We should run Luxmark. Yes, we should. Let's close this and try Luxmark. Yes. Can we just close this? Quit. Alright, download V3. MacOS 64-bit. Close this. All right, Luxmark. And the system is pretty quiet, like it's not all that loud. The only problem with my XFX RX 470 graphics card, I think this card was a mining card. The fan is a bit loud sometimes, but now not all that loud. (24 seconds, 21 seconds), almost done. I don't know, the score seems lower or okay, I don't know. I think normally should be 13,000. I think RX 580 is around 14,000. So you guys can see OpenCL GPU score 12,348. Not bad. Can we try GPU and CPU? I don't know. Let me try. So how about if we try like benchmark OpenCL CPUs and GPUs. So basically we are testing right now the CPU and the GPU. Okay, let's see. Oh, no, I hear the fan. I hear the CPU fan and the GPU fan right now. Working hard. Okay. It's getting loud, guys. Getting loud. And also, I'll play a game real quick and show you guys the gaming performance. Bonus. I got all the time today. Okay? Do you guys want to see gaming performance? Not on macOS though, on Windows. Let me know if you guys want. If not, it's okay. I can play Overwatch. Yeah. can show you guys Overwatch if you guys want. Uh, 19 seconds left. Remaining 13 seconds, or what, 11 seconds, yeah. All right, now, see, now you know the Intel, yeah, UHD 630 graphics really working, guys. So we got 14,697, and before we had like what, 12,000. Not bad, guys. I'm impressed. Not bad. Yeah, guys, overall the system is running really good. Not so bad. And okay, let's try Windows real quick. Okay, we'll restart and jump into Windows and show you guys dual boot real quick. So restart. Alright, Windows, and we are booting into Windows 10 Pro. Alright. Okay. Windows 10 also running good. Now, I know last time some of you guys asked me why I didn't show you guys like gaming performance, because I know you guys want to see. So I'll play Overwatch real quick. So let me turn fraps on. So I have fraps here. Again, the CPU we have Intel Core i5-9400 CPU. We have 8 gigs of RAMs, 2666 megahertz, and we also have AMD XFX Rx 470 graphics card, 4 gig. Let's try Overwatch real quick so you guys can see. I'll play with my 60 Hz monitor here, but you guys will see 30 FPS, okay, because of my capture card, so don't mind. I don't know how well you guys will see the gameplay, but I want to show you guys anyway. Taking long. Why is it taking so long? Oh god, logging in taking like forever right now. Seriously. Should I try something else? CSGO or something? I don't know. Normally it doesn't take that long, but Okay, I don't know what's going on with Overwatch. Can we try, like, what the hell? Why are you taking so long? Alright. I have fraps on. Shoot. Alright, so 1920, 1080p, 60. Display base, yes. Okay. And let's try. So again, you guys will see 30p, but I'm actually playing 60p right here. So oh yes. Oh no! I'm dead and real game didn't even start. Where is he? Oh, sniper! Yeah, got you. You're trying to mess with me. You ain't messing with me, boy. Oh shit. Oh no. No, too bad. I'm gonna get you. Where is he? Well, we're not playing real game. So we're getting around 70 FPS, you guys can see. Not so bad. By the way, if we look at the setting, you guys can see ultra setting, 1080p. Not bad, guys. With RX 470 is still a great graphics card for 1080p gaming. Well, Overwatch is not a demanding game, so alright, now we are in a real game. I don't know how well you guys can see. You guys can see only 30 FPS. Yeah, 30 FPS. Oh, I don't have Tomb Raider install. I have like Apex Legend, CS:GO. Yeah. Oh. Oh, again, no. Haha, got him. He thought he was slick. Oh, need help. Oh no, that was bad. That was bad. Play Apex Legend? Okay, we'll play Apex Legend. I'll play Apex Legend. This game is almost. Oh, come on. Come back, guys. Come back. Get back, get back, get back. Get back. Oh man, he's behind. Got him. Got him. I love this game. Oh no, 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 Farah. Oh no. I don't want to mess with Farah. Where is he? Oh shit. Oh man, I see fire right here. Got him. Trying to. I'll play Apex Legend, guys. Wait, this game is almost. Man, Farah. Oh no, 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 no. All right. Damn, Farah. All right. Come on. Oh shit. Wow, I'm loving this RX 470, guys. Victory, yes! I got 2 victory today. I got macOS Big Sur running flawlessly, and I got, what else I got? And I won this game. It was good. All right, so we'll play Apex Legend. I love this game. Like I just enjoy playing this game. So this game was good. So we got around 70 FPS. It's pretty good, not bad. I got. All right, so exit. Let's try Apex, and that's it. After Apex, we are done, guys. So let's try Apex Legend. And who called me here? Got it. Let me just see. Okay, so I'm on the OS and how to use. Hold on. I like Lifeline. Lifeline is cool. Let's jump into settings real quick. Okay, so we are running 1920 by 1080 1080p. Field of view I have set to 110. I have VSync off. Texture streaming budget 4 gig. Texture filtering 2x. Basically high and medium setting. So let's see. Again, I'm playing 60 FPS right now on like a 60 FPS monitor, but you guys will see like 30 FPS because of the capture card. So, oh, by the way, the drive I'm using for like Windows used a Samsung SSD. I bought it for like what, $30, 256 gig, 30 or I don't know, $28 I think, I forgot. Lifeline, yes. By the way, my Apex Legend Sunny 3801, the user, the tag, whatever you guys want to call, right here you guys can add me, Sunny 3801. Where are we going? Let's go here. Apex Legend is kind of crazy. Like you gotta be good. Like you gotta know how to play. And I'm okay, but I feel like for Apex Legend you need a like high refresh rate monitor, at least 144 hertz. And I have a 60 hertz monitor, and you gotta be quick. Like these people don't play around. Seriously. Oh look, I'm down already. Oh, 3 of them. No, no. I'm down. No, no. No, you didn't. You should have just stick with my team. My boy's here. Oh no, oh no, oh no. No. You know, it was my mistake, because well, built-in Wi-Fi doesn't work most of the time. I would recommend maybe check OpenCore wireless buyer guide. So, I don't know. Well, okay, this time I'll play smart. Oh man, I hear my oh, the graphics card fan really loud. Damn. Wow, we've been live streaming for like 2 hours and 30 minutes. Seriously? Seriously? What time? Oh, 3 p.m. Alright, last game, guys. And we are done after this game. Why we are on this map? Alright. .71 FPS, not so bad. 1080p high. Whoa, only 2 of us? What happened to the other guy? Whoa. What happened to my boy? Damn. Damn. Yeah, 30 FPS is a bit choppy. Like, I'm playing, oh, it's 60 FPS, but you guys are watching, I think 30 FPS. Yeah, you guys are. Because of my cheap $8 capture card. Oh, I see. I don't see anybody. I think we should just go. Oh, come on. What happened? Damn. Serious? Oh. I got 2 of them. I did knock them out, but shit, we are done. Well, oh well, that's that. Well, my partner is leaving, so we are done. Alright guys, hope you guys did enjoy the gameplay, and it's okay. Hello Brazil, how you doing? Alright guys, so that should be it. This game is over, and hope you guys did enjoy this video, this live stream, and I'll try to edit this video and see what I can do, edit this live stream real quick. Oh, what I got, let me see, I got something. And I will see you guys. Okay. Alright guys, so stay cool, stay safe, wear your mask, and I'll see you guys next one. Peace.